The HopBox is actually what my computer is sitting on right now. So
It's a hot
it's a
box.
monthly subscription box for longevity. And so it's a longevity blend. And this is all the things that are in it. So you have a damage control pill, an hourglass tipping pill, daily D,
5
equalizer,
pills.
and the bee's knees. And I'm biased, so don't take what I'm saying about
But
it.
I tried it for 30
But
days.
same, and my data shows you what it's doing for me, so I don't need to say much about it. I just think it's one of the best formulas out there. I really love it.
Yeah, to be honest, what I did like about it is the fact that you only have 5 pills, and those pills, they don't contain one component, but several one. It's just not one pill, one supplement. It's a mix of them, and it's in a pouch, and you take it daily. Twice actually.
Yes.
And most people are just like overwhelmed by, what do I take? When do I take it? I don't know. And they end up by taking like 100 pills. And even one of my great friends, Sergey Young, on the longevity fund, he was telling me that he's taking about 40 to 50 pills a day.
Wow.
That's a lot. That's still a lot.
That is a lot.
Yeah.
That is a lot.